Hi, this is Kevin with KGMG. I'm owner of ProAdvertisersClub, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. Okay, let's go ahead and get the rewards and the pack opening out of the way. It was a rough battle today. I got 8 points away from gold. I'm 15,000 power points away from being able to qualify for gold 3. So what I was going to do if I got into gold was go rent something for 15,000 or several cards for 15,000 points, and then that way I could have opened a gold today. But I got beat back about 100. I need 70 more points, and I got back up to 8 or 10, and then it knocked me back down to 100, and then I said I got to get going. So maybe if I'm lucky, I'll be at gold for the tomorrow or the season ending chest reward. So okay, let's claim today's quest was the water. And I think I get 4 now because I'm silver 1. This is the highest I've been since I started. And then you got gold, and then you got diamond, and then you got champion. So here we go. Okay, there's first one, a card, another card. Now these are reward cards, a rare, nice. You only get these out of the chest. You can't get them anywhere else other than on the market. Okay, so here's a perfect example of me burning. I'm going to take these two and combine them, and it will destroy these two and make a new one. And that's all on the blockchain because these are NFTs. And I'll do these two with the other ones I got in my thing. So 4 cards today. Uh, this is a way. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. Listen to me at your own risk. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please like and subscribe and join the link below. But that's a perfect example that if you join, which you can join for free, and if you join on my link, I get 5% of all purchases you make in the future. That would be the $10 spell book, which is basically a lifetime membership fee. And then you get, if you buy any packs, but you don't have to buy anything. You can join for free just to play the game, just to see what it's like, if you even like it, or you can just watch my videos or other people's videos. But here's the proof that once you join it, and you have to pay the $10 to open it up to do what I'm showing you here. But you can get cards just by playing to build up your asset collection. Now, I spend $10 every other day pretty much because of the video. Packs aren't the best way to build your set because you can't control what you're getting like you could if you go right into the store and buy cards. But if you just want to build it by getting rewards, it would be slower, of course, because just that's the way it is. But it would accelerate as time went on. You'd have to be much more patient. People who come in with deep pockets can just buy all the cards they need, which is fine. I mean, either way, whatever, only you know your situation. And but there, you could just build it up doing that. Okay, let's go open up the pack. And of course, you win DC when you battle, and there's all sorts of ways to make things happen on this site. So here's my pack. There's 5 cards per pack. And once I started making the video, I decided to do 1 pack a day for the video type, because people like to watch other people open packs, and I love to open packs, trust me. Okay, so you get 5 cards. You're guaranteed a rare or better. And you see that's highlighted like some glow on it. That's your better card. So these 4 comments. Now they could all be better cards. But you guaranteed at least a rare at the very minimum. And these could all be gold. Now the potions. Each card uses 1 potion for gold and 1 potion for legendary. So I'm using 2 potions per card for a total of 10 potions. What that does is it doubles your chances of getting legendary, gold, or both combined. And you don't have to buy potions to open packs. It's just something extra that if you want to do it. And you win potions in the rewards chest. So let's go ahead and open up the commons. That's a good healer. Okay, so these all burn and combine. And let's open up my, and there's my rare. Okay, so no gold, no legendary. So the potions didn't help out today. But, and it's about an average pack. About an average pack. And these two are kind of related. Yep. Okay. Well, actually, all three. I got three of the scavios or scavos. But all right. Well, that's it for the pack. So let's close that out. Um, so see, it's used up my potions and all that, and you can buy those in the shop. But so what I'm trying to do is keep the video under 10 minutes. Every day I do the rewards and a pack opening, and then of course the season ending when that happens in a couple more days. And then I'm going to just talk about one way to make money on the site. There's so many, and that way it's a shorter video. I don't need to go over the entire site every single day. Any answers or questions, leave comments below, and sure would appreciate it. Uh, Here's the affiliate marketing I was talking about, the affiliate program. When you join, you get a URL with your ID embedded into it. There's mine. And then, I had somebody join yesterday. And he's actually got a 21 rating and 4 about. Let's see if he didn't buy the spell book yet. But anyway, but yeah, so they join and they might not do nothing. Don't worry about that. That's affiliate marketing. What you're doing is collecting people that signed up underneath you. If any of these people ever wake up and start playing, then you get the credit for it. And that's this is another way you could build your asset collection with without sinking any money of your own into it. If you're that, if you're tight and you just don't have the money, there's ways for both sides. It's absolutely incredible platform. But let's talk about buying and selling in the market. Okay, here's the market, and I'm probably almost over my 10 minutes, so I'm going to wrap this up real quick. But there's a site called Splinter Cards, and it's real simple on the method that I use. Buy low, sell high, or hodl. Those are the three. I try to keep things as simple as possible because you can make buying and selling you can study charts, you can history, and I mean you spend hours and months and years, but whenever I learn things, I try to condense it down to just real simple. Here's the market. These are the cheapest cards. They're the reward cards, and there's a million of them. There's a lot of them, and they're 2 cents a piece, right? And there's a total of 477 regular foil cards available of all time. So how do you keep track of the prices and know what's up, what's down? It's simple. You go to Splinter Cards, and they got a tool here called list price analysis. And right now what I'm looking at is the regular foil, the commons, and only out of the Chaos Legion pack. That's the new pack that they dropped. And what I'm looking for is the percentage of up or down. Okay, here's in one day. I got it set for one day, not 1 week, not max. Excuse me. And I like to buy at a discount, and I like to sell high. Okay. So I'm looking, and my number, you got to have a number. My number's 30%. So like this is 28.7. That's a discount since yesterday. So it was at 0.087. It's now 0.062. I'll buy it, 30% or more. If it's that close, I might buy it. Here's probably the best one. This one's 29.9. So it's only at 0.054. Now that might not be there anymore. This is the latest, that they snapshot, but it will give you an idea of what card dropped a lot. Okay. So if I do it this way, that means every time I purchase cards, now I'm not going after a specific card for my power pack. I'm going after a specific card for investment to flip, so I can make the DC to reinvest into the company, right, into the business. So this is a 30% discount. So I'll go buy some today. This is the date. So this is 30%. You can't get any closer without being 30%. So I'll go buy a handful, and then I'll sit on it. So my entire flipping collection, I've always bought at a 30% or better discount. And if you learn to do it that way, you'll come out ahead. Now, I don't set. Now I'm also looking to sell. There's nothing here to sell today. Nothing is up 30%. Nothing at all. Now, I also write down what number I bought it at, because I don't want 30% from this, because then all that means is I broke even and actually lost money from the 5%. What I want is 30% from that. So I write down both these numbers, and this one right here, if it's 30% above that, I'll sell it. So basically, for simplicity, you'd be looking for a 60% bump, and it happens, and that's when I'll sell it. Okay. And another way to do that is write down the date you bought it. So let's say I bought this one 2 weeks ago. So you go look at the 2-week mark. And then what that will show you, if that's up 60%, it's time to sell. Right here, 52%. If I've got any of these and I bought them back 2 weeks ago and it's up 60, that means I've bought it at 30% discount and I'm selling it at 6%. I'm going to make 30% minus the 5% that they get. And you can do better if the numbers are better. But that's a simple way. And you can do this also when you're buying cards for your power pack. Just make sure you're always buying at a discount. Buy low, sell high. And if you don't care, then you just go buy it, and that's it. So anyway, that's it for today. Go to Twitch TV and watch Splinterlands TV. It's a 24/7 site. They're just getting it going. It's nothing but Splinterlands, and hopefully we'll be on the front page eventually. And that's it for today. Join me tomorrow. Please like